Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Belle here. So, if you're going... Hello everyone, it's Belle here. Welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm going to teach you, I'm going to show you how to...
A few inches later.
Hello everyone, it's Belle here. So today I'm going to show you how I do my everyday Korean makeup look. So, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell below to be always updated for my new videos. So let's start! I make sure that I cleanse my face first before applying anything on my face. Then I prep my face with some random moisturizer, but I always make sure that the moisturizer that I'm going to use has SPF so that, it adds a barrier to my skin so that it can help me block the sun, the harmful rays of the sun. That's what I mean. I usually apply it just by dabbing it on my face so that my skin will absorb it more, because this is what Koreans do, right? You just pat it like this. There. Second, I either apply baby cream or cushion. But today I'm going to apply cushion because my friend gave this to me and I wanted to make a shout out for her. Thank you. Thank you, Sarah. So, I apply cushion like this.
Eyes on my T's I make sure to also dab it on my skin so that it will be absorbed properly. Then I put some on my, I don't know what does this area called?
Also, I pick BB creams and cushions with SPF on it so that, another barrier to block the harmful sun rays. There, so already done. I'm going to use this eyebrow powder to fill in my eyebrows. And I'm going to brush it with a corn brush. There, that's my eyebrows. After I fill my eyebrows, I also use this eyebrow powder to contour my nose. Then I'm going to blend it with my cushion. There. And after that, I also use this eyebrow powder to create a little wing here in my eyes to make my eyes look bigger and longer. Fourth step, I use lip tint to color my lips, to give color to my lips. Then I'm going to use a lip balm to keep my lips moisturized and to give a glossy look. There. So, finished. So that's it, guys. This is my everyday Korean look. Hope you enjoyed my video and you have learned something.